Good morning, children. I'm sure you all enjoyed Makar Sankranti festival. Now let's begin with the prayer. सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम, विद्या का वरदान तुम्ही से पाए हम। तुम्ही से है आगाज, तुम्ही से अंजाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। गुरुओं का सत्कार कभी ना भूले हम, इतना बने महान गगन को छू ले हम। तुम्ही से है हर सुबह, तुम्ही से शाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु, करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। Now we'll come back to this chapter, okay, in English. We'll come back to this chapter, The Egg. I'm going to read this chapter one more time for you all. After that, we will go to the questions. So it goes like this. Baby parrot lived in a nest with mummy and a big white egg. I'm going to find some food, said mummy one day. You must look after the egg until I return. Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. She moved it around to make sure it was comfortable. She wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm. I'm very good at looking after eggs, she thought. Just then, she heard the monkeys playing in the trees. Baby parrot tried to call like a monkey, too. She peered over the edge of the nest and laughed at their games. Suddenly, baby parrot remembered the egg. She looked around and gulped. It was broken. Mummy would be angry. But when Mummy returned, she wasn't angry at all. Don't worry, Mummy said, as a little parrot popper popped out of the broken egg shell. The egg has hatched while I was away. Now you've got a new baby sister to play with. Okay? After that, you all have already finished this. You have finished question number 3 and 4. Now the question number 5. Now you've got a new baby sister to play with. Who said this? So who said this? Mummy said this. So you will write like this. Now you've got a new baby sister to play with is being said by mummy. ये full sentence में आपको लिखना है. You will write it in your red and blue line book. Now what is this? This is a little different exercise. Listen to it very carefully. Okay, what you have to do is add words to the following to make longer phrases. Okay, so what is the word? Now the word is parrot. उसको हम long कैसे कर सकते हैं? So we can write a baby parrot. फिर उसको और long करना है तो क्या करेंगे? A baby parrot in a nest. Okay, you can write anything. Now for example, here we have the word egg. Okay, so in your red and blue line book, you will write on one line egg. On the second line, you can write an egg. Okay, now you want to make it more longer. So what will you write on the third line? You will write a boiled egg. Okay, अभी इसको और लॉन्ग करना है तो क्या लिखोगे आप? A boiled egg in the plate. ओके, तो ऐसे हमको एक वर्ड में से टू वर्ड्स में से ज्यादा में से और भी ज्यादा अगर ऐसे करना है तो सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं हमको. स्लोली वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हाउ टू फॉर्म sentences from one word. Okay, so here it is egg. We wrote an egg. Then we wrote a boiled egg. Then we wrote a boiled egg in the plate. Now what is the next word? The next word is mummy. आप क्या लिख सकते हो? माई मम्मी. ओके, फिर उसके बाद क्या लिख सकते हो आप? माई ब्यूटिफुल मम्मी. आप सेंटेंस चेंज भी कर सकते हो. मैं आपको सिर्फ एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूं. आप कुछ और लिख सकते हो. माई टैलेंटेड मम्मी, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. ओके, बट इट हैज टू मेक सेंस. उसको सेंस बनना है, मतलब इट हैज टू हैव सम मीनिंग टू इट. देन यू कैन राइट माई ब्यूटिफुल मम्मी likes to bake a cake. Okay, so I have made this kind of a sentence. You can make whatever you like. This is just an example, but make sure first लाइन पे आप सिर्फ मम्मी लिखने का, सेकेंड लाइन पे माई मम्मी, थर्ड लाइन पे आगे जो लिख रहे हो, फिर फोर्थ लाइन पे. So we know that you are making more words and sentences out of that. Okay, the last one in this is monkey. You will try to make it by yourself. Okay, मैं इसका आंसर नहीं दे रही हूं अभी, आप ट्राई करिए अपने हिसाब से करने के लिए. So that you will do in your red and blue line book. Take a picture and send. After that, what is the seventh one? Write one line each about the characters you have met in the story. Okay, so कौन से characters थे story में? मम्मी, baby parrot and parrot. Okay, so there were three characters: mummy, baby parrot, parrot, and there is one more, that is monkey. You will write any one line about them. Okay, any one line. तो आप मम्मी के बारे में कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, बेबी पैरेट के बारे में लिख सकते हो. सो यू विल राइट वन लाइन ईच ऑन एनी ऑफ दिस, ऑन ऑल ऑफ दिस कैरेक्टर्स. सो 4 कैरेक्टर्स: मम्मी, बेबी पैरेट, monkey, and who is there else? Yeah, so baby parrot, mummy, and monkey. And baby sister is also one character. Okay, so you can write any one line on these. After that, I think let's stop here. For the next day we will do this question number 8 and 9. Okay, so this is enough for English, and you will take a picture and send it to me. Now we'll do phonics. Come to page number 50. Page number 50. Like you have done it earlier. आपने पहले भी ये वाले pages करे हैं दोनों, वैसे ही इसको भी करना है. So circle the word shown in the picture. What is this? It's a pin. So you will circle the pin. Similarly, what is this? Web. So you will circle web. Then zip. Then mug, bat, and pen. So I want you to finish page number 50 and 51. Don't forget to write your name. Remember to write your name. You can use any crayon to circle. Okay, both the pages need to be finished, take a picture and send it to me. That's what you need to do for phonics. Now in maths, we are going to learn the number names from 71 to 80. We have already done number names till 70. Okay. So these are number names from 71 to 80. You will write it in your maths book. 7 and 1, 71. SEVENTY, 71. ONE. 7, 2, 72. SEVENTY, 70. TWO, 2. 7, 3, 73. SEVENTY, 70. 3. THREE, 3. 74. SEVENTY, 70. FOUR, 4. 75. SEVENTY, 70. FIVE, 5. This you have to write in your square line book. Then 76. SEVENTY, 70. SIX, 6. 77. SEVENTY, 70. SEVEN, 7. 78. SEVENTY, 70. EIGHT, 8. 79. SEVENTY, 70. NINE, 9. And 80. EIGHTY. So on all these, the first number remains 70 and then the last number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like that you have to write it in your square line book. Take a picture, write your name and send it to me. Now we'll do EVS. Come to page number 69. Page number 69. All these patterns we have already done a number of times in the school. Okay. It's just a repetition. You can take different crayons. Now what is this? 1, 2, 3 sleeping line, standing line. Then we keep one finger space and again draw the same thing. So 1, 2, 3. One finger space. 1, 2, 3. Like this you will finish the whole line. Okay. After finishing this line, there is a next line also. You have to do the same thing. Okay. And then finish the whole thing. You can change the crayon. You can keep the crayon same. I am changing. Then we have sleeping lines. There are 4 sleeping lines. Okay. So you'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue there. Then in the next line 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is how you need to do. Okay. Then we have slanting lines. 1, 2, 3. Space. 1, 2, 3. Space. Then again here 1, 2, 3. And continue the whole thing. Then we have circles. Slowly draw the circles. Okay. On the next line too. Then we have pattern of C. So you'll do like this. This all we have done. Okay. So it's just a repetition for everyone. Then we have opposite of the C. And here too. But you need to finish the whole line. Then, okay, and then up. So I want you to finish the whole page very neatly with different crayons, extremely neatly. Okay. कोई भी गंदा काम नहीं करेगा. Very, very neatly. And with all different colors. And all different colors. Write your name and send it to me. That's all for EVS and that's all for the day. Have a good day. Bye bye.